Hi, this is your Shekho from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. The secret of success. Friends, some of you are given by your parents the same name as another person, maybe your grandfather or grandmother. Friends, look at this. If you go through this, you can understand what I am going to tell you today. Here is a couple. This couple was blessed with a child. He is a grandfather to this child. This man was David. David is the father of this man, right? The man loved his father very much. That's why he named this child the same name, David. Friends, when someone or something is given the same name as another person or thing, we have to use the preposition after. Here the child was given the same name, David. So here we have to frame the sentence using after. Look at this. The child or the baby. The child was named. The child was named what? David. After his grandfather. Right? Friends, here we have some examples. Friends, I hope you have understood how to use the preposition after when someone or something is given the same name as another person or thing. Friends, make some sentences using after on your own and post them in the comment section. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. Yours, SEKHAR'S English. Bye-bye.